lot of the accessories in the front of this headliner is exactly the same as any of the Honda Accords. And so, like I said, when we get ready to put this thing back in, I'll show you guys exactly what it takes to remove those pieces and put them back in, and you'll see this process full force. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start in the middle. We fold this thing halfway back. We're gonna shoot glue to one section of it so we can get it tacked down and know that we got everything positioned in the middle. All right, guys, so recap what I like to do. I like to spray a small section just so I can know I got everything centered. It's not gonna move around on me. I'll spray my headliner board once, spray my headliner material once, then I'll come back, spray the board one more time. Now we got this thing laid out. We had a question?
Someone said they changed their headliner to a 2005 Corolla car, following your videos.
All right. We appreciate you guys. You guys got any pictures you want to send me, send them over to headlinermagic.com, and I'll definitely take a look at those and put them up on the website for other people to see. We got our Instagram page as well going. I like to show people what's possible. So if you guys got any pictures, send them to me. I'd love to see them. I get excited seeing the progress that you guys do. It lets other people know what's possible, so that way they have the courage themselves to attack it. And you can see this thing's coming together like a beauty. We're working it in a small section here. And this thing's coming together real nice. Yes, sir. It's Headliner Magic, guys, and this is what we do. All right. So you can see I give it a nice little tug there, so that way, when you're looking at that, you can see it's got a nice bond. And look how good this thing bonds. I can lift this thing up here, lift it up, and it's almost pulling the foam off of it. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and spray another section here. Get this thing laid down. So I'm gonna kick this thing on for a quick second while we lay the rest of this out, because we're gonna need some more air.